Hey there YouTube and welcome to the channel Your Tech, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to make a thumbnail for a YouTube video part 2. Now before we start this video, I just want to mention that this video was actually requested by a commenter named Rose Betel Corner, so shout out to her. Now the first thing you want to do, of course, is go into your thumbnail maker and you're going to go ahead and create a thumbnail. Scroll all the way down and select on thumbnail. Next, you're going to go into gallery and you can choose the photo you want to edit. So I'm just going to choose this one, and then you can go ahead and resize and adjust right there. And then after that, you can adjust as much as you want. And then after that, you can go ahead and click on the tick mark. And here we have the main place where you edit everything. So you're going to click on the use camera if you want to insert another photo. So I'm going to click on this one because I want to insert another one. So you can go ahead and insert it, and I'm going to put it down right there. Perfect. And I'm just going to go ahead and make it straight. Now you can also restart, like undo and redo and all that stuff. You can also remove it, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to put it all the way down there and go ahead and resize it so it's the perfect size. Alright, right there is perfect. Now you can also add some nice stickers. So I'm going to add a sticker. Let's go add a nice effect sticker. Let's see, which one should we use? Now there are many to use from. Now I'm going to click on this one, the little glowing circle which we have at the very bottom. I'm going to put it right up here. Alright, right there. Now like I said, you can resize, you can undo and all that. So I'm going to go ahead and resize, and I'm going to insert another one for the other side. So let's do the same thing. Alright, here we have the other ones loading, and then you can put it up on top there the same way. You can undo, resize. Alright, so now we have two blue circles that look really cool. Now you can add as many pictures and stickers. So there we go, that's nice and good. You can also add more stickers, so I'm going to go ahead and add another sticker. Let's see, what should we add here? Alright, so let's just add, we have some nice sticker cars, some cool ones. We have some subscribe animations. Actually, no, they're not animations, they're just stickers, sorry about that. Alright, so I'm going to click on, let's say, this one right here. I think that one's nice. Now there are more, as you can see, there's like us, we have notification bell, and more. Now there are many more. Alright. So you can just go ahead and select it. Now, there are many more stickers which we can choose from. There are also maybe like some effects. So we have notification bell, we have the like us. Okay, we have many stickers. So let's just go ahead and use the one that says subscribe here. Alright. And then I'm just going to put it right here in the corner and go ahead and resize and undo. Alright, like I said, you can go ahead and resize it. And then I'm going to add another sticker. I'm going to add the like us. Now you can also change the color of it. Alright, now you can also resize like I said, so I'm gonna go ahead and change the color to a bit of golden, so nice and goldenish right there. Now there are also more stickers, so you can go ahead and resize it, change the color a bit to a bit light because the dark doesn't really look nice. Now you can add some text, so I'm just going to type here how to make a thumbnail. How to make thumbnail. Alright, and click on add. And then there you go. Now you can, of course, go ahead and resize it and put it, I'm going to put it right above my head. Now, right there, how to make thumbnail. Now, as I said, you can change the color. Now, if you change the color for the subscribe button right there on the left, it'll change the whole image, so that doesn't really look nice. So we're gonna go ahead and put it right here, how to make thumbnail. So I'm gonna go ahead and change it because I don't like the text. Alright, so you can go ahead and put it there, resize, and whatever you want to do. You can, of course, copy, edit, and select the font, change the font to anything you want. I'm going to go ahead and select, let's say, Now they all look nice, so I'm going to go scroll down and see the one which I like. Now there are many, as you can see, there are like hundreds of them. There are different ones which you can choose from, so I'm just going to select the one I like, which is this one. It's nice. It's like a curve. Okay, so now you can change the color. I have it black right now. I'm gonna change it a bit to like a yellowish color. Alright, you can change, of course, the shadow and the background, the color and space, like the outline size and all that. Alright, you have the line space. Now you can also add an outline. We're also going to do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and change the color, and we can add like a little outline to it, make it a bit look nice. Alright. There we go. So now we have how to make thumbnail, and I like a subscribe button there, and then we have a like us on the top, and I'm pointing to a picture which is also pointing to another picture. So it looks pretty cool, and like I said, this was actually requested by a commenter named Rose Petal Corner. Shout out to her. And now you can also add more effects. So I'm going to add an outline of black, put it above my head right there. How to make thumbnail. Looks pretty good. Alright, so as well as you can add more things. Alright, we have many more things. So I'm going to resize the like us to make it a bit smaller so it fits in that little circle which we have. And then you can go ahead and thumbnail saved successfully. As you can see, you can download it, and then because this animation, thumbnail maker is free, you can go there, actually ads. So that's pretty much it. And as you can see, if you open your gallery, you can see your thumbnail maker. So that's pretty much it, and make sure you guys smash the like button if it was, and comment down below if this tutorial was helpful, and make sure you guys subscribe and activate your post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.